Welcome to DNS Forward Lookup by Group Lucky 7. This is a brief explanation of the steps the domain name system goes through in order to do a forward lookup. When you type a web address into your web browser, your computer needs to turn the web address into an IP address. This is called forward lookup. It starts with your computer, or the DNS client. The client issues a DNS request to find out what DNS server to contact to act on its behalf in order to fulfill that request, which is done using a recursive query. In order to do any kind of DNS lookup, the client must first contact a local DNS server. Typically, it's one that's provided by your ISP or possibly on a local server within your company. Starting with the local DNS server, it asks, where is www.amazon.com? If this is the first time this DNS server is seeing this request, it will not know the answer, and so the local server sends a request to the root name DNS server. The root name server gives a response saying it also doesn't know where www.amazon.com is, since that is not within its domain, but it does know where the top level domains are, and sends back the IP address of the .com DNS server. So the local DNS server sends the same request out to the .com top level domain server, and the .com server responds back, while it doesn't know where www.amazon.com is, it does know where amazon.com is, and sends the address of that DNS server. Again, the local DNS server reissues a request, but to the amazon.com name server. Although this time, the DNS server says, yes, I know where that is, and responds with the IP address for www.amazon.com. Now that your local DNS server knows where to find www.amazon.com, it sends a response back to your computer, the DNS client, and you can now connect to the website you were searching for. Of course though, since you're only momentarily online shopping while at work, right then is when your boss decides to pass by and check up on your progress.